No. You owe me $1.
Give me the hood.
I'm freezing. Hold on, I'm filming. Freezing my feet.
Me too.
Is it gonna start right now? Oh. Excited?
Yes.
Hold
Don't
on.
know
Scoot back.
what's gonna happen, but
Can't see you in the frame. Hello.
hello.
About to watch a light show. Guys. This is the
Welcome to the Pacific Reef Adventure Theater. We hope you enjoy the show.
here we go. Cold.
I know. Please, so funny.
Tonight, we go on a journey. A journey through this place we've come to as visitors. Your hotel room. With luxurious amenities and ocean views. Just kidding. I'm sure you don't want a 15-minute tour of the hotel. You've come here to get out of your room. So, tonight, we go on a journey. A journey over, under, and through the coast. It's a beautiful place, isn't it? Why else would you be here? Okay, so you might have come for our fantastic clam chowder, but enjoy the scenery while you're here too. Gold Beach is situated in the most ideal of locations for anyone wanting to experience the thrills only nature can provide. Here, the spectacular and rugged Oregon coast meets the pristine Rogue River wilderness. Since 1968, the Rogue River has been protected as a wild and scenic river to preserve its natural beauty and the wilderness around it. There is no better way to experience the river than on one of the last remaining mail boats in the U.S. Jerry's Rogue Jets still deliver the mail to the town of Agnes, 32 miles up the river, and they have plenty of seating to take you along for the ride. You'll feel the wind in your hair, spot some wildlife, and if you don't tip the driver, you'll probably wish you brought a change of clothes. Mailmen and tourists aren't the only ones heading upstream, but the task is a little tougher without a jet boat, especially when you seem to be on everyone's menu, and I mean everyone's. Nothing is quite as exciting as the fight you get reeling in a salmon the size of your 8-year-old. There's never a bad day on the river, whether you're spending time with close friends or making new ones. Jerry's Rogue Jets weren't the first to turn this waterway into a highway. Through centuries of tradition and experimentation, the Native Americans have come up with canoe designs that navigate the quick, shallow, or rough waters of the Rogue with ease. If you wander all the way upriver to the place where the Rogue River begins, you'll find yourself at the foot of Mount Mazama. Its glacier-covered peaks once towered 12,000 feet above the surrounding landscape. I say once, because now it doesn't even exist. The Klamath tribe witnessed its disappearance, and they tell the story like this. Lao, the spirit of the underworld, lived deep under the earth in the belly of Mount Mazama. One day, Lao climbed through a hole to the top of the mountain where he could almost touch the stars, the home of the spirit Skell. War broke out between Lao and Skell. Skell defeated Lao and drove him deep into the underworld and sealed it forever with the top of Mount Mazama. 7,000 years ago, after an eruption 42 times larger than Mount St. Helens, the mountain collapsed into its emptied heart, and thousands of years of rain and snowmelt have filled the caldera of the still active volcano with crystal clear water. Crater Lake, the deepest lake in the United States. While you might need to use your imagination to see Mount Mazama, we've got a few other local giants that are in plain sight. The redwoods. They must be the children of a divine process because they have an unmistakable way of leading your gaze heavenward. These Goliaths endure for centuries because of their ability to survive fire and disease. In fact, this one was already over 200 feet tall back when the Declaration of Independence was signed. Those are some big trees. Real big trees. Okay, my neck's getting sore. Let's get back to the beach and look down at some stuff. If you want to make the most of your trip to the beach, you need to check in with the moon first. The tides of the oceans are created by the pull of the moon's gravity. A rhythm, a cycle that reveals and conceals entire worlds. Tide pools are fascinating. Just don't get too caught up with them while the tide's coming in, or you may find yourself trying a new sport, like body surfing. Trust me, it's not so fun on these kind of rocks. Or, better yet, enjoy some quiet meditation, or a romantic stroll with the tide as your soundtrack. The beach is an etch-a-sketch of stories that are still being written. This beach will never be the same if you come back to it in a year or even a month for that matter. But your memories of the beach will always be with you. Just like the sand that will always be in your shoes. Boardman State Park. Some of you may have driven right past it on your way here and not even realized what you missed. This park has hidden treasures for
We
those
went there.
willing to explore.
Yes, we did.